Put together in the land of the increasing sunlight as well as Colombia, the J90 was eventually replaced by the J120 in 2002 for the 2003 version year. This generation of the Prado received a luxury-oriented version marketed as the GX470 by the Lexus department. Very closely connected to the FJ Cruiser, the 120 collection was additionally supplied in a short wheelbase variation known as the J125. The present generation, referred to as J150, gotten here in 2009 for 2010 with minor improvements over its forerunner. Joined at the Aware of the forerunner, the J150 dropped the shorter 3-door version in late 2013 over abysmal sales. Facelifted 2 times currently, the 150 series absolutely shows its age. Reported to be changed in the summer season of 2023 for the 2024 design year, the Prado will switch to the TNGA-F introduced by the 300 collection and its Lexus-branded option. Shown to the Sequoia full-size energy car as well as Expanse half-ton pickup truck, the Toyota new global style structure was developed for both 6 and also 4-pod engines. Simply put, the GX460 will be decreased in support of something a bit extra thrifty. To be shown the Hilux, Tacoma, as well as Forerunner, this platform is likewise developed for amazed powertrains. The iForce Max V6 of the Tundra as well as Sequoia comes to mind, packing 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet, 790 Newton-meters. The next generation Tacoma is expected to include a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder turbo as well as a hybrid version of this swelling. The Prado, nonetheless, is obviously sticking to the 2.8-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder it currently sports in markets such as Australia, where it creates 150 kilowatts and also 500 Newton-meters of torque. Converted to mechanical horsepower and pound-feet, make that 201 horses and also 369 pounds-to-foot. The peeps at Best Auto comprehend that Toyota planned to release the F-based Prado previously, however they needed to postpone the debut as a result of part scarcities.